In recent weeks, members of the UFU's Animal Health and Welfare Committee have been working in earnest on behalf of our members. Given all of the continued uncertainty surrounding a no-deal Brexit, members of all of the UFU's livestock committees have been meeting with DAERA to discuss the impacts of additional requirements for sanitary and phytosanitary checks and expert health certificates in the eventuality of a no-deal Brexit. Currently, there's around 130 different expert health certificates on the DEFRA online form finder, and government has already published notes for guidance to accompany each one of these expert health certificates. If your business is involved in trading with the EU, we strongly recommend that you look at the DAERA website and the DEFRA online form finder and consider all the different recommendations and requirements within these forms to ensure that your business is prepared in the eventuality of a no-deal Brexit. The UFU's Animal Health and Welfare Committee also recently met with members of the TB Eradication Partnership Group to discuss their proposals to speed up the eradication of bovine TB in Northern Ireland. The Animal Health and Welfare Committee will be meeting again in early October in order to consider these more fully and to provide recommendations to the UFU Executive. On BVD, the UFU recently reached agreement with NIMEA to request 2 amendments to the LMC's Farm Quality Assurance Scheme. These amendments will require that BVDP animals be retested with negative results or removed from the farm within 35 days of receiving their initial BVDP status. Additionally, it will require that all BVDP animals are appropriately isolated on the farm. It's hoped that with their implementation, this will dramatically increase the rate of BVDP animals being removed from farm and speed up Northern Ireland's progress towards BVD eradication. On sheep scab, members of the UFU recently met with other stakeholders to discuss the appetite of industry in controlling and eradicating sheep scab from Northern Ireland. Feedback from the meeting was very positive, and an additional meeting has been scheduled for this week to try to see how we take this further forward.